everyone, I welcome you back to Global Education Zone. And today, in this introductory episode, I'm going to be introducing you to my next course. And this course is going to be on further mathematics. Now, further mathematics, as you know it, is kind of like a challenge to most students. And most students think further mathematics is difficult. But I need you to calm down and take in a deep breath, because I'm here for you in this course. I'm going to be breaking down every single concept you once thought was difficult in further mathematics. We're going to be going over from set to differentiation to calculus to a number of episodes on statistics and to a number of episodes on geometry, trigonometry, and so on and so forth. So don't worry, this course is richly blessed with a lot of informative and educational content, and as you watch this course, I need you to start from the beginning of the course to the end of the course, because it is totally full of a lot of interesting concepts for you to understand and grasp. So for example, in episode 2, we'll talk about the set. Then when we talk about set, I will talk about a lot of concepts dealing with set. We'll talk about something like union of set, interaction of set, and so on and so forth. We'll also talk about binary operations. We'll talk about indices and logarithm. We'll talk about sorts. We'll talk about sequences and series, which is one of my best topics in further mathematics, because it's kind of a topic that I've had to read, so on and so forth, and I've fallen in love with the subject because it talks about all these sequences and series, convergence of series, divergence, and all the rest. And I look at it like something like, it's kind of like a power. It gives me some superpower. Mathematics gives you superpower, right? Yes, that is basically true. Mathematics gives you superpower to solve a lot of questions. Then we also have the inequalities, mapping and functions, and a lot of things. So in this course is designed for entry-level students into further mathematics. So this is the first course I'll be doing, and this first course we're going to be having a lot of interesting concepts. For example, we're talking about logic, which is talking about truth tables and all the rest. We also have calculating and tabulating devices. We'll talk about the straight line, vectors, relative velocity. We'll talk about vectors again. We'll talk about graphical representation of data, measures of central tendency. We'll talk about measures of dispersion and coefficient of variation. Then finally, we'll talk about operations research. That's one concept that I will always like to talk about, because it's rich in a lot of interesting concepts. So as you are going to stay for this course, I advise you to subscribe to this channel so as to encourage me to continue to produce educational content like this. And don't worry, you are going to grasp every single concept I will explain in this course. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you at the course soon.